In this video, I'll show you how to create these trending, creative 3D AI name images on your phone using the Bing Image Creator. So if you want to create these kind of profile pictures for your social media platform, then let me show you how to do this. So on your phone, you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. In your search results, you want to go ahead and type in Image Creator from Microsoft Bing. Go ahead and visit the link. If you cannot find it, I'll put the link down below in the description. So go ahead and see it from there. So here, this is the AI image creator from Bing. And here you'll need to enter a prompt in order to create an image. So let me show you the prompt which you're going to use to create the AI images which I've shown at the beginning of this video. So in the description box down below of this video, you'll see a link which will go to this Google Doc. In this Google Doc, you'll see the prompts. So for example, if you want to create a male character, you'll need to use this prompt. If you want to create a female character, you'll use this prompt. So let's go ahead and copy one of the prompts. So here, I'll go ahead and copy the male character prompt. Now you want to go back to your image creator, paste the prompt. Now in the prompt, you'll need to change one thing, which is the name. So as you can see, it's currently set to the simple dad. So if you want to personalize for yourself, you want to go ahead and change it to your name. Now here you can change the age. You can even change what the teenager is wearing. So right now it's set to black jacket. So now once you're done with that, go ahead and tap on create. Now give it some time and the Bing Image Creator will create you an image. And these are the images which has been created for you. So if you like it, go ahead and long press on it and download it to your phone. Now let's go ahead and replace that with a female character. So go back to that Google Doc, copy the female prompt, go back to your Bing Image Creator, delete the existing prompt and go ahead and paste the new prompt which you have copied. Now you're going to go ahead and change something. So I'll go ahead and change it to orange jacket and then tap on create. Now once that's done, go ahead and tap on them to view the image. And as you can see, it has created the AI images for you. To download it, go ahead and long press on it and then tap on download images. So there you go. That is how to create the trending creative 3D AI name images on your phone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.